Time and space complex, that should be a background. When was this book revealed? Because you must know the environments, the conditions. What was the state of humanity at that time? At what level of consciousness most of the people were at that time? So actually time and then space. Where it was revealed and when it was revealed. And that is what I, denoted to in this brochure, the time and space background of the revelation of the Quran. That's very important, must keep it. So time is from the year 610 of the Christian era to the year 632 of the Christian era. 22 years according to the solar calendar. But according to the lunar calendar, they become approximately 23 years. You must keep, that time factor in your mind. And now let us proceed to the next. Where was it revealed? Very important. Had it been revealed in Iran, it would have discussed the same things, but in different way. Because in Iran, in Persia, you had philosophy, you had logic. And Quran should have addressed the people at the same level of consciousness at which they were practically at that time. But Quran has selected its own mode, its own style. And that actually we can appreciate by keeping in view the place where it was revealed. The people who were the first addressees of this Quran, to whom this Quran was addressing primarily. It was revealed in a small part of the Arabian Peninsula, not the whole of Arabian Peninsula, mind it. The Arabian Peninsula is divided into three parts vertically, north-south. There's a small strip. At some places it is 5 to 10 miles, at some places 30, 60, 40 miles wide. It's plain along with the western coast of the Arabian Peninsula, the coast of Red Sea. Then there is Al-Hijaz. Al-Hijaz actually is a mountainous region. There are mountains. And Hijaz, Hajiz means something which intervenes between two things. So actually this Hijaz is intervening, dividing the Arabian Peninsula. On the east side of Hijaz is Najd. It's a plateau. But on the western side is plain. That is called Tehama. And intervening between the two is Hijaz. Now Makkah is the city of Hijaz. Medina is the city of Hijaz. Taif is the city of Hijaz. But Jeddah is the city of Tehama. Rabigh is the city of Tehama, and so on. And even Tabuk, that's the northern tip of Hijaz. The same mountainous range going on. It's like, a rampart. It's a wall separating the two parts, the Najd from Tehama, and this is Hijaz. So please note that Quran was revealed, nearly all of it in Hijaz. Although there were some very few expeditions of the Prophet ﷺ in Najd also. But they are very few, very negligible. Maybe when he went to Najd, maybe some ayat were revealed during that journey. So they will become an exception. But mostly the 2/3 of the Quran is Makki, Meccan surahs. It was revealed in Makkah. Because for about 10 years, Muhammad ﷺ never stepped out of Makkah. He was preaching and teaching and conveying the message to the people of Makkah. It was only after the 10th year, after the beginning of Wahi, when Abu Talib died, his protection, the worldly protection, when it was gone, then he had to seek for some alternate base, and he went to Taif. Again, Taif is also a city of the same Hijaz. So actually all this part of Quran, 2/3 part of the Quran is composed of the Makki surahs. So that was revealed in that area, Makkah, Taif, and its surroundings. And then Medina is again a town, a city of the same Hijaz. So mostly Quran was revealed, if not all, at least mostly it was revealed in Hijaz. But there is a very interesting exception, except 2 ayat. The last two ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah, آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون إلى آخر السورة. These were revealed not on earth. They were given to our Prophet ﷺ when he went to Mi'raj, Isra, and they were given there at the seventh heaven to Muhammad ﷺ as a gift, as a present to the Ummah. Take it. That is the present of this, you may call it, that is for remembrance of this event. We are giving you these two ayat for your Ummah. So actually these two ayat, Muhammad received not on earth, but on the seventh heaven in the night of Miraj. Rest of the Quran came from the heavens to the earth to be revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.